Now I'm going to demonstrate my project Smart Home. Smart Home is a kind of home where we can control all the appliances, security and etc. by using mobiles. So let's see what we have used here. First, this portion is used to convert AC to DC for safety purposes. Here is a microcontroller. The microcontroller is like the brain of the whole project. It gives commands to other parts like the temperature display, the temperature sensor. Here the relay switch, or what we call is the magnetic switch. So let's begin what we have. So here we can see the smart home door. There is actually a sensor here. So this is a motion detection system. Let's see how it works. Here there are two parts. Here we can see clear white part and a black. So this white part always releases a UV light, and this black portion is always ready to catch that UV light. But since there is open space, it can't catch it and it's being expanded to the open space. But here I'm going to block the UV light with my hand. So what happens? I'm blocking the UV light and gets reflected to the black portion, and the black portion of that sensor is giving a signal to the door to move 90-degree angles, as we saw what happened here. See? And 5 seconds later, door opened by itself. So what we can understand from here? We can understand that when the owner of the home or any members of this home enters the house and just stands here, then the sensor will automatically detect it and open by itself. So here we also have a CCTV camera. This security camera can see all the surroundings. This can be for security and safety purposes. So let's see. So he can just simply open his phone or laptop and see with the CCTV camera that if anyone is around or not. We also have here a flash here, which can give light for many purposes. So sometimes the CCTV camera can also have a face ID recognition system. So let's say how this face ID recognition system works. So suppose an unknown person suspiciously came here to enter the house. So of course, he will first stand here and try to open the door by using the motion detection system. But let's say the security camera has an face ID recognition system installed in it, and the owner of the home has submitted his face along with other members of this house face in it. So of course the security camera is gonna see that here an unknown person is standing. So it will send a signal to the motion detection system to stop working, and then will also send an alarm to the homeowner that a thief is nearby. Let's demonstrate. See, we can see that here it's written thief detected. So we obviously know what this means. So here, let's see what's inside of this house. So basically we have a light and fan installed in both of the floors. So we can control these lights and fan in two ways. First, manually, second, automatically. So let's say how this manual mode works. Manual mode is simple. We're gonna control the lights and fans by using mobiles. Here I'm going to demonstrate. So the lights are turning off, fan is also turning on. And then same thing happens to the second floor. Here. And we can also turn this off by using mobiles. But in other cases, the homeowner can install an automatic system. So let's see how automatic motion system. So let's say how this works. So a person has entered the room, the motion detection system will detect that a person has entered the room just like this one, and then will send a signal to the light and fan to automatically turn on by itself since a person has entered. And the opposite case happens when the person leaves the room. Let's see how it goes. The person will leave the room, and the sensor will send a signal to light, fan, and it can also apply for other appliances. Let's say television, AC, etc. Just to simply turn off by itself. Sometimes we can also turn this on and off by using the clapping method. So by simply clapping, which will just turn the lights on and off. I have turned the auto mode here. So what happens? We have installed the light sensor here, and the light sensor will see that a person has entered the room. Here, just simple as it sounds, as I described before. So how does it work? When the sensor will detect that there is already a light source nearby, then it will just turn off. But when it will sense that there is no light source nearby, then it will automatically turn on. Here, let me demonstrate. And the opposite case works when a person will enter the room. As I said before, that when a person will enter, the sensor will send a signal and turn the appliances on, and when he or she leaves the room, the appliances will just simply turn off. So, after all, I have described and demonstrated my whole project. And here we can see that there are many advanced stuff here, so obviously I couldn't do this by myself. So I have collaborated with some professionals who have helped me express my ideas. Let's simply say I have given them my ideas and knowledge, and they helped me to prepare a full demo model about this topic. So I am very thankful to them.